Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another late night pouring episode.
In the rain.
It is actually raining outside. And Baxter has joined us again tonight. So if you hear snoring, it is definitely Baxter and not HOA. So.
Or a snuffleupagus.
Tonight we're going to be using a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my black base coat color. Let me show you my colors that we're working with because I'm really excited about these. The first color we're using tonight is Indigo. This is from Amsterdam Expert Series. This is such a beautiful, deep, rich color. I love this indigo. Just gorgeous. You can find all your Amsterdam paints at fluid-art.co. This is another Amsterdam one. This is Permanent Red Violet, which I'm very excited about having again. It dries a little deeper and darker than this. This is kind of raspberry-ish, but it dries a little deeper than this. So that's a very pretty color, though. I love this one. I also have some Prussian Blue from Golden. And I'm really looking forward to the contrast between the indigo and the Prussian Blue. I think it's going to be beautiful. And then I have some Amsterdam Titanium White. And we have some Decor Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Okay, my pouring medium tonight is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol. You can watch a video called Night of 1,000 Stars to give you a little more insight on how I mix that medium, how I mix up that pouring medium. So we're going to be doing a Wanderlust pour. So I'm going to layer 2 small cups. These are 9 ounces. For that size canvas, which is a 20 by 24, we need about 25 ounces of paint. With 2 of these, we should have about 18. I'm okay with that because we're going to use a flow extender. So to layer these, we're going to actually start with some indigo at the bottom. He's chewing his bone. Yes, I know. He's snarfling and making noises. Yes. Just a tiny bit of white in there as a barrier. And a little bit of gold. Very small amounts, as you can see. And we're going to come in with the Permanent Red Violet. And we're going to do that white and gold again. Come in with our Prussian Blue. So if you'll notice, I'm using much thicker layers of the indigo and the Prussian and that red violet than I am of the white and the gold. The white and the gold are there as barriers and to add contrast. Okay. And I'm using very small layers because I don't want too much of them in the pour. Come in with the red violet again. We can get one more layer of Prussian in here too.
Look at that.
Okay. All right. And I may use some of that indigo as a flow extender. Okay. So we have our canvas all ready. We're going to take our 24 karat gold and we're going to put down a runway for us to pour into. Right along here. I don't want it to really be a straight line this time. I do want kind of a curve in there. Okay, let's pour this. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go.
Semper Parentis.
So for the Wanderlust pour, this is a wandering straight pour. and we're going to stay pretty close to the canvas, and we're going to pour it slowly. And you'll notice I'm not going to pour it at the edge of where the paint falls. I'm going to pour it about an inch in to really push the color. Okay, here we go. Getting this really interesting fingerling thing happening with the indigo and the red violet. That's kind of a trip. That's really pretty in there. That's cool. I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to start this one kind of over here.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. And I'm trying to actually stay as close as possible to each other because I don't want a lot of gold in between them. I'm going to take my paintbrush friend over here. We're going to add a few lines into this section here, just to create some more fingerlings, as it were. Some little faux fingerlings.
Fogerlings.
That's pushing it a little bit. Becky, sit down, please. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, I'm going to take my indigo and I'm going to go around this edge over here.
Actually sounds like a truffle pig.
It is. This is really cool right there. I love that part. Black here.
Okay. Here's the atoms. Sit down. Shh. Sits.
Let's see. I really like what's happening over here, so I kind of want to anchor that over this edge. So because the weight of the paint should be pretty close to there, I'm actually going to bring it back towards me a little bit, and then we're going to go off of this side. Just gently walking it down. Cover that edge and bring it back. Go down off of this side over here. take this down and we're gonna open all of this up. I'm gonna go down towards that bottom corner. Taking off the black and leaving the indigo. This. Shove it back over again. Come off the corner. Get rid of a little bit of that gold. Kind of snaky up in here.
Okay.
Take a little bit down off of that bottom edge. Up again. That's pretty cool. I love that indigo with the gold coming through it. Gorgeous. I really like the indigo, how deep and dark it is. It's so pretty. Okay, this is cool looking.
I concur.
I really like this a lot. That's really cool. And this
He's cooler in real life.
trippy. I really love the center section too. Okay, I'm happy with this. I love what that permanent red violet is bringing some warmth in. It's kind of stormy and dark otherwise, but those little bits of white and gold you see are providing a lot of contrast along in here. This is so pretty, this edge. Wow. And these boulder cells are trippy. I like that too. This is what I like about the Wanderlust, is it gives you these fingerlings that you can then open up and stretch out to create your composition and actually come up with something cool looking. And I like the Wanderlust because there's two of them, you get that center section on either side instead of right in the middle. So this is pretty trippy. I'm not sure it's going to be dry enough to show you at the end of this video, but I will show you in the next one if it's not, and we will show you the dried results from Skydance out in the sun. So thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. HOA and I are grateful for you, and we love you all a lot, and we think you're awesome. So have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Bye-bye. So unfortunately it is still raining outside, so I can't take it out in the sun because there is no sun. But this one came out very, very cool. I really love this solid black base that turned into our mountain range. And then up here with all of these gorgeous colors, that pearl yellow and the gold and the turquoise blue. And of course the iridescent green blue. Really, really pretty stuff. So this one was Skydance. The one we shot today is not dry yet, so I will show you in the next video. But thank you all so much for being here with us. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.